Hello there, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. Today's short video is just an explanation of the next assignment. And what we're going to be doing is a lot like last week, where you're going to be naming the lines and spaces of the bass clef. And on the assignment, I put a chart that you can use, which has treble and bass clef, because I couldn't find just a bass clef one. But um, you're going to name the lines and spaces that are being described on the worksheet. So other than that, there's really nothing else I needed to tell you at this point, um, other than the fact that I added some more links on my homepage for Google Classroom on tips on how to use Google Classroom and some things about the remote learning plan that we have laid out. So you might want to check those out too. All right, have a great time, and I will see you soon.